Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Fiat 500 door handle. This is a common issue, but with the right approach, you can easily fix it yourself. You will need a few basic tools, including plastic trim removal tools, a flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a 5mm Allen wrench, and a 10mm socket with a ratchet. Let's get started and restore your car's functionality. First, we need to access the handle mechanism from inside the door. Begin by using your plastic trim removal tools to carefully pry off the small side cover near the mirror and the circular cover around the interior door release lever. Underneath these, you will find two 5mm Allen head bolts and possibly some Phillips screws to remove. Once these are out, gently work your way around the door card to release its clips. Then disconnect the speaker wire and the door release cable. With the door card removed, you will see a protective membrane. Carefully cut this membrane along its bonded edge, just enough to access the back of the outer door handle. Locate the 10mm nut that secures the handle hinge to the door skin and undo it with your socket. Now, from the outside, pull the door handle outwards as if opening the door. This action should allow you to extract one half of the broken hinge. You may also need to unscrew a Phillips screw, securing the second half of the hinge. Now it's time to install your new handle. Carefully insert the new handle into position, ensuring all parts align correctly. Reattach the linkage rod to the handle mechanism. Secure the new handle by tightening the 10mm nut from inside the door and any other screws. Use gaffer tape to reseal the door membrane. Finally, reconnect the speaker wire and door release cable, then reattach the door card and all trim pieces. Give your new handle a good test to ensure it works perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.